This lab covers basic switch configuration, including Layer 2 switching, management VLANs, and Cisco IOS configuration in a GNS3 lab. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to explain the role of a Layer 2 switch, configure a Cisco device as an access switch in GNS3, configure basic switch settings, management IP addresses, default gateways, banners, and passwords, save and verify configurations, use common verification commands, and troubleshoot basic connectivity problems. A Layer 2 switch operates using MAC addresses. It learns source MAC addresses, builds a MAC address table, forwards frames to the correct port, and floods unknown unicast traffic. Dedicated ports prevent collisions. Unlike hubs, switches create separate collision domains. In GNS3, Cisco 3725 routers act as Layer 2 devices for learning purposes. The concepts remain identical to real Catalyst switches. These concepts include VLANs, trunks, STP, port security, and Ether channel. Every CCNA concept learned here remains fully valid on production Catalyst. Typical enterprise switch configuration includes setting the hostname, enable password, console password, MOTD banner, management IP address, and default gateway, followed by saving the configuration. Switches need IP addresses for remote administration. In this example, the management VLAN is VLAN 50, named MGMT. The management interface uses the address 192.168.50.11 with a /24 mask, and the default gateway is 192.168.501. This enables SSH access, SNMP monitoring, syslog communication, and NTP synchronization. The MAC address learning process has 4 steps. First, the switch receives a frame. Second, it learns the source MAC address. Third, it updates the MAC address table. Fourth, it decides whether to forward or flood the frame. If the destination is in the table, the switch forwards the frame directly to that port. If the destination is unknown, the switch floods the frame to all ports except the incoming port. Each switch port creates a separate collision domain, with 1 collision domain per active port. For now, there is 1 broadcast domain per VLAN. VLANs will later split this into multiple broadcast domains. The lab requires students to build a simple switch topology and configure a Cisco 3725 as SW1, also identified as sales. Tasks include configuring the hostname, enable secret, console password, MOTD banner, management VLAN interface, and default gateway, then saving and verifying the configuration. The device requirements are 1 Cisco 3725 Layer 2 switch and 1 VPCS and hostname PC, sales, 1. The topology uses SW1, identified as sales, as a Cisco 3725 Layer 2 switch. Fast Ethernet 0/0 connects to Ethernet 0 on PC, sales, 1, of VPCS end host. To build the topology, add 1 Cisco 3725 and 1 VPCS. Rename the router to SW1 and rename the VPCS to PC sales 1. At the SW1 console, enter Enable Mode and Configuration Terminal Mode. Set the hostname to sales. Configure the encrypted Enable Secret as Cisco 123. Then enter console line configuration. Set the console password to Cisco, enable login, and exit. Configure the MOTD banner as authorized users only. Create VLAN 50 and name it MGMT. On interface VLAN 50, configure the IP address 192.168.50.11 with the 255.255.255.0 mask and enter no shutdown. Set the default gateway to 192.168.50.1. On Fast Ethernet 0/0, add the description PC, sales, 1 connection, and enter no shutdown. Finally, copy the running configuration to the startup configuration and confirm the OK message. Use show running config with the hostname filter to verify the hostname sales. Use show IP interface brief to verify VLAN 50 with address 192.168.50.11. Use the default gateway filter to verify 192.168.50.1 and the banner filter to verify authorized users only. Use show startup config to verify the save configuration. Forgetting login underline console 0 causes password protection to fail. Missing no shutdown on VLAN interfaces leaves the management interface down. Using enable password instead of enable secret stores the password unencrypted. Skipping copy running config to startup config causes settings to disappear after reboot. The challenges are to rename sales to SW sales, create the banner unauthorized access prohibited, run show IP interface brief without command history, and practice TB, Control+A, Control+E, and Control+Z until fluent. For homework, build an HR switch. Configure the hostname HR, management IP address 192.168.50.12 with a /24 mask, gateway 192.168.50.1, and enable secret Cisco 123. Then save. Remember that enable secret is encrypted, while enable password is not. Remote access needs a management IP address and a default gateway. A collision domain is one per port, and a broadcast domain is one per VLAN. The command show MAC address table appears often in troubleshooting. The key takeaways are layer 2 switching fundamentals, MAC address learning, collision and broadcast domains, basic switch configuration, management VLAN interfaces, default gateways for remote access, console security and login, encrypted enable secrets, MOTD banners, and configuration verification and saving.